Welcome back. So before we go to publishing this or printing this sheet layer out of our light plot, we'll go ahead and fix those problems that were back in the design layer. So I'm going to come over here to my design layers and go into the positions layer because we have some information about the positions that are located in difficult places. So I'm going to hover over this where the blue square is until I get that slash, and then I can click, drag, and click again the position of that information. I'm going to do that for the first electric. I'm going to do that for the second electric. And then that should update to my sheet layer. See, there it is, all nice and pretty. I think I'll also go ahead and say, instead of title of drawing, let's call this light plot. And center that bad boy again. Okay, so here we have the document that we want to publish or print out. The way I typically do it is I will just go ahead and print, use the print command to print as an Adobe PDF, and I give that Adobe PDF the same properties as my drawing, Architect D in this case, and click OK. The other possibility is to, and the way Vectorworks really likes you to do it, is to pull down from the File menu. Oh, it's wanting me to save that screencast. All right. I'll pull down, and that's a nice look. That's what it's going to look like when it's a PDF, and then I can print that to a plotter or a printer or just file it away, as you'll do when you put yours up into D2L. You can also pull down the File menu to export, and you can export this in a variety of ways, including PDF. And I'll accept all of the defaults on this, and then place it wherever I want it in my file structure. And let's just save it to the downloads for right now. And there we have it.